Parang walang lyrics.
Ha?
Walang lyrics.
Ganun talaga yun. Walang lyrics talaga yun. Freestyle.
Welcome to Showtime, Snoop.
Thank you very much.
How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing?
Going to BC, to American Idol.
Yeah! American Idol!
American Idol.
Come on.
So, how's your flight? How's your flight?
Yeah, how's your flight?
Very nice.
Very nice.
Why is it very nice?
When
Why
did
is it
you
very
arrive?
Why very nice?
Why very nice?
Oh yeah.
Yeah! It's okay.
Oh,
Have a
yeah.
You have a jet lag? You have jet lag? You have a jet
No.
No?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. When are you coming back to America?
Gawa nga ng maraming...
Oy, Tagalog! Tagalog! Yes! Filipino!
Wait!
Filipino!
Huwag kang bibitaw! Huwag kang bibitaw!
Wait. Nag-aaral kasi siya mag-Filipino.
Yes!
Let him speak in Filipino.
Do you speak Tagalog?
Yeah.
What's your favorite Filipino food?
Caldereta.
Snoop Dogg, you can speak Tagalog if you want.
Katulad ng...
Fluent ah.
Huwag kang bibitaw!
Tagalog?
Huwag kang bibitaw!
Sandali lang. Sandali. First time sa Pilipinas, kararating lang kanina. Fluent mag-Tagalog?
Hindi, sir.
Nag-aaral siya.
Alam ko kung bakit.
Bakit?
Kasi si Snoop Dogg, napakataas ng IQ niyan. So,
Yes.
genius level, 140 IQ niyan. Kaya magaling siya.
Oh, that's
mag-Tagalog.
why.
Alam mo kung ano sikreto? Alam mo kung ano sikreto? Alam mo kung ano sikreto mo? Ano? Sabi mo.
Bawal! Kumakain ng hotdog.
Oh, Snoop, can you do this?
Hey!
Huwag ganun. Ganito lang. Yay!
Hey Snoop, they thought you're singing a while ago.
Yes.
It's not
There's
live.
no lyrics.
There's no lyrics. Can you sing it live?
Yeah.
Can you do it live?
Can you do it live? No.
No?
Sabi niya, no.
Huwag kang susuko!